Hello little artists! Let's draw Sleepy Bluey and Sleepy Bingo together. Let's draw an oval for Bluey's eye. Now draw a small oval inside. Bluey is looking right at us. Now let's draw his nose and mouth. Follow my lines. Yes, now he's smiling. Now let's draw the eye behind his nose. Draw half an oval and another half oval inside. Follow my lines. There we go. Let's start drawing Bluey's head. Look at his eyebrows. They look like little beans. His ears look like triangles. One triangle, two triangles. Now let's finish his head together. Again, one triangle, two triangles. Now follow me while we draw Bluey's pajamas. Look how easy it is. He's holding Sleepy toy in his arms. Let's draw his arms. Now his hands. Left hand, and now the right hand. There is a star in his lap. Now let's draw his legs. So easy. Keep following my lines. What a cute pajama! Now let's draw his cute tail. Let's add the buttons on his pajamas. 2 circles, 3 circles. Now I'm drawing his left foot. And now his right foot. Amazing job! If you're ready to draw Bingo, let's begin! Bingo's eyes are closed. 1 line, 2 lines. Now let's draw her eyelids. 1, 2. Now follow my line to draw her cute nose. And now let's draw her smiling mouth. Now her left eyebrow and her right eyebrow. Let's add her ears. Do you think Bingo is having a dream? Look how cute she is. And now her body. Bingo is floating through the air. Follow my lines while we draw her arms. Now let's draw her hands. What is Bingo holding? She's holding a pillow in her lap. Now let's draw her legs. Her legs are all curled up. And now her feet. Let's draw her cute little tail. And there we go! Bluey and Bingo look amazing together. Now it's coloring time. You can use any colors you like. There is no wrong way to color. Your imagination makes every drawing special. Wow! Bluey and Bingo look wonderful together. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you in our next drawing adventure. Bye bye!